I am at 29 Mayna Parc. It's a 2-bedroom detached bungalow. It's got a nice, easy to maintain garden here at the back. It's all patio really, slightly raised. There's plenty of room. There is a big jacuzzi spa here with a covered bit as well. So you've got that as a lovely luxury, and it's nice and private as well. The vendors are going to leave some of the plants and things, which blueberries and some beautiful plants as well. So you've got those here too. You've also got electric hookup for your car and an outside tap. And then inside you've got these 2 double bedrooms, plus a lovely living room with a view out towards Dartmoor. And the house has been, bungalow has been re-roofed in the last 5 years. It's had a new heating system put in, and you can see behind me there's parking in the garage as well as the drive. If you'd like to find out more, then watch the video and then call and arrange your own viewing. Thank you.